Cooking doesn't have to be complicated. Sometimes the best meals come from using what we already have at home. Today I'm making a beautiful homemade meal using simple ingredients: oregano, parsley, black pepper, tomato puree, garlic puree, salt, and a splash of Worcestershire sauce to bring everything together. The mince is cooked with all these flavors and spices, creating a rich and delicious taste that fills the kitchen with an amazing aroma. For the chicken drumsticks, I'm keeping it simple but full of flavor with chicken seasoning, paprika, and a touch of seasoning to give them that beautiful color and taste. Cooking is about creativity, love, and making something special from what you have. You don't need expensive ingredients or complicated recipes to make a delicious meal. Sometimes a few simple spices can transform everyday food into something amazing. Enjoy the process, enjoy the flavors, and remember, homemade food made with love always tastes better.